Chipo.
Oh, how are you, Nomsa?
I'm fine. Where is your uncle?
He is not around. Oh, I need condoms or family planning pills.
Condoms.
Yes, I'm dating this other married guy who is a businessman.
Huh? Do you think it's a good idea dating a married man?
Yes, he promised to take me to a big prophet in Nigeria who will pray for my eyesight so that I can see just like everyone else.
Oh, okay. Let's go to hospital so that we can get contraceptives.
No, I can't go there. They all know me and my family. They will tell my uncle.
No, it's a right to have access to sexual reproductive health and rights services as a young woman. Okay, let's go to shopping center and buy condoms.
Shopping center? Oh, that's bad to worse.
Hi, sir.
May I have
Oh my girl, I don't have Coca-Cola here, but I can give you Fanta.
No, not that. I need condoms.
Ah, condoms? At your age, are you not school children? Huh? You buy condoms instead of buying books. Get away. But how can you use a condom when you are blind?
These children.
Believe me, I heard that there are 6 students who got pregnant at Chesa Secondary School.
Oh, that's bad. I think we need to do something about these children. We need to teach them as parents.
I have realized that these children of nowadays are growing so fast like onions.
Chipo, let's go home.
Then what about my boyfriend? Please, I can't disappoint him.
Awareness campaigns on sexual reproductive health and rights issues should be done at schools, even in our community targeting these adolescent girls and young women. Parent-child communication is also very important nowadays.
Yes, I am disabled, but this is not an obstacle of having a sexual partner. But these people, they think disabled people don't have sexual feelings. But we do have feelings just like everyone else.
You know what, girls? Lack of youth-friendly corners at our health facility is a big challenge in our community. Adolescent girls and young women insist on their own privacy and confidentiality. They'll prefer access to youth-friendly health facilities that carry no stigma. Situated at a convenient location, offer convenient hours of operation, afford privacy, provide information and educational materials. They'll also like youth-friendly support staff to treat them with respect and not prejudge them.
Enye futhi njalo issue ekhona sile ndaba ye-GBV khona lapha eBlum. Ama-GBV cases aba maningi aba khona insuku zibili. Thina abomama kakhulu siyahlukunyezwa ezindlini lapha esihamba khona, sexually, emotionally and physically. So I choose to challenge ama-local authorities, NGOs and the government ukuthi bekwanise ukuthi enforce ama-laws that will protect us. Ama-partners, they have to come together to sibe lama-awareness campaigns amaningi. I choose to challenge the decision makers on service provision. Together we can win this. Together we can fight this. It's possible.
Let's stand up and fight for our rights and say no to sexual and gender-based violence against women and girls. Let's report those cases.